Here are 5 things I wish I knew before getting into motorcycles. Number 5 is something I never would have expected. Whether you're just starting out or you've been riding for a bit, there's always something new to learn. These 5 tips would have saved me time, money, and maybe a little embarrassment. Let's dive in. Number 1, proper riding gear is crucial. I started with just a helmet because that's what everyone says you need, but the first time I slid out on the road, I realized jeans and a t-shirt won't save your skin. Literally, invest in good gloves, boots, and a protective jacket. Trust me. You'll thank yourself when the road gets unpredictable. And don't cheap out on your helmet. A $500 helmet on a $5,000 head makes plenty of sense. A $50 helmet? Not so much. Protect yourself. Number 2, choosing the right bike depends on your size, experience, and the type of riding you want to do. Are you commuting? Look at smaller, nimble bikes. Planning road trips? You'll want a comfy cruiser or adventure bike. And if you're all about speed, start slow. Trust me. A 600cc sport bike is plenty fast for beginners. Number 3, owning a motorcycle means becoming best friends with a wrench. Bikes need more frequent maintenance than cars. Think chain adjustments, oil changes, and tire checks. But don't let it scare you. Learning basic maintenance can save you hundreds of dollars and give you a better understanding of your ride. Start small, clean your chain, check your tire pressure, and go from there. Number 4, riding takes skill, but it's mostly mental. You have to be hyper aware of your surroundings because not everyone sees you. Stay calm, anticipate what cars will do, and always have an escape plan. Ride like you're invisible. Assume nobody sees you and ride defensively. It's the key to staying safe out there. Number 5, once you start riding, it's hard to stop. Motorcycling isn't just a hobby. It becomes part of who you are. The thrill of the open road, the community of riders, and the sheer joy of leaning into a turn. There's nothing like it. But don't say I didn't warn you when you start planning your weekends, vacations, and even your paycheck around your bike. Those are the 5 things I wish I knew before getting into motorcycles. What's something you wish you knew when you started? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear it. And if this video helped you, smash that subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and all things motorcycles. Ride safe, ride smart, and I'll see you out there.